Здравствуйте и добро пожаловать! Hello and welcome to this preview of the Russian video lesson, which is devoted to the poem of the famous Russian poet Sergey Yesenin, which is called Береза, the Birch. This video has been created for the learners of Russian as a foreign language, who learn the language on A2 level or B1 level. And that is why in the video lesson itself I am going to speak Russian. In this preview I will mix Russian and English. So I think now it's time to look inside. What is going to be included in the video lesson? At first, of course, we are going to read the poem, but not only this. We are going to build all necessary vocabulary. We are going to learn all new words before reading the text and train it. Besides, we will analyze all grammar structures used in the text. Our focus will be instrumental case, so we will try to find all instrumental case examples in the poem, study them, and then train them in separate exercises. And of course, I will make sure that you understand what this poem was about. The viewers of the video lesson will receive free supporting information, some downloads as worksheets, the text, and some forms to write new words. Besides, the viewers of the video will receive an audio file to listen to the text of the poem in free time. And there will be also an interactive exercise on the platform to train vocabulary and grammar, which was used in the text. And now it's time to look inside. What is going to be exactly included into the lesson? The first station is learning new words. So there will be given lists of the words with translation. And after that, there will be some exercises, which all the viewers of the video lesson will do. And there will be different types of exercises, like learning new words, or there will be multiple choice questions. Or there will be exercises to train the conjugation of the verbs from the text of the poem. The second station will be reading the text. I am going to read the text of the poem several times, and I will give an opportunity to listen and repeat. The third station of the lesson will be grammar. The focus of this grammar will be instrumental case. At first, we are going to review all the meanings of instrumental case which have been studied before. And after that, we are going to learn some new meanings of the instrumental case, like describing the place with prepositions под, над, между, за, перед. For example, ребенок под столом. Or the meaning of instrumental case as an instrument, a device, a means of doing something. For example, рисовать карандашом. There are also some special meanings used mainly in the poetic language, in poems and literature. For example, the direction of the movement, идти лесной дорогой. Or comparisons, лететь стрелой. And at first we are going to find all the meanings of instrumental case in the text of the poem and analyze them. And after that we are going to train the meanings of instrumental case in other examples. And there will be several exercises. For example, filling in with new prepositions or choosing the right answer or matching the right picture. And the final station of the video lesson is understanding of the text. There is an exercise with multiple choice questions to make sure that you've understood everything from the text. Final exercise will be writing the missing words. This is, by the way, a good exercise to learn the text of the poem and recite it. Thank you very much for watching this preview. I hope that you've got interested in learning Russian with Russian literature. До свидания!